Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, it's because you're thinking about getting into the world of aircraft sales. Well, fasten your seatbelts because today I'll be guiding you through everything you need to know before you start selling airplanes and setting up your business. From single-engine planes to luxurious business jets, the aviation industry offers a range of options for every kind of buyer. But selling these flying marvels or helping clients buy is not always a simple task. Let's take off on this journey and explore the nuances of becoming a successful aircraft broker. First things first, you need to have a deep understanding of the aviation industry and the market. Start with the basics, such as learning about the different types of airplanes, their specs, and the industries that use them. You can go to tradeaplane.com and controller.com and explore the different types of airplanes for sale. At the end of the day, if you're going to help someone buy or sell an airplane, you need to know the product. Also, familiarize yourself with aircraft maintenance requirements, avionics, and some FAA regulations. The information is out there, you just have to know what you're looking for. For example, when it comes to aircraft maintenance, you should learn about inspections, engine and propeller overhauls, maintenance tracking software like SESCOM and CAMP, etc. If you're already in the aviation industry, you probably heard of the A1 tape acronym, which includes the inspections an aircraft must undergo, such as the annual inspection, 100-hour inspection, transponder, pedostatic checks, and ELT inspection. You also need to know that jets go through inspection programs established by the manufacturer. Knowing about these inspections is important since most buyers will ask you about them. When it comes to avionics, you should familiarize yourself with the different abbreviations used to describe various instruments. For example, PFD, which means primary flight display, MFD, multifunction display, ADS-B, XPNDR, which means transponder, etc. You'll be using these abbreviations when creating listings. You can also go to the Garmin, King, or Honeywell websites and learn more about what they offer. For example, learn about the G1000, GTN 750, GNS 430, etc. for general aviation aircraft, or the G5000 for jets. I'm not going to mention all the different types of avionics out there because there's too many, but you get the point. Regarding regulations, you could visit ecfr.gov and select Title 14, Chapter 1, Subchapter F, Part 91, which covers general aircraft operating rules, and Subchapter G, Part 135, which governs charter companies. Because some airplanes that you're going to be representing are going to be used to transport people or cargo. So knowing about their regulations could help you. By reading straight from the federal regulations, you learn about the different maintenance requirements for the different types of airplanes and so much more. Now, knowing the market inside out is pivotal. Keep an eye for the latest market trends, customer preferences, and the economic factors that influence the aircraft sales industry. Consider subscribing to newsletters, podcasts, or forums that focus on the aviation industry to stay updated. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also check out my buddy's Tom Lelio's YouTube channel. In this business, who you know matters as much as what you know. So building a robust network with industry insiders, other brokers, maintenance experts, pilots, CFIs, and airport personnel can be a game changer. Attend to industry seminars, join aviation groups like GLADA, which I'm part of, the FAA safety team, which is free, and nurture relationships with fellow brokers. Now, selling airplanes isn't just about showcasing them. It also involves dealing with agreements, contracts, and other legalities. So ensure you familiarize yourself with the necessary documentation, contracts, and the legal landscape to facilitate a smooth transaction. For example, as an aircraft broker, you'll be using a listing or acquisitions agreement, letter of intent, and the aircraft purchase agreement, along with other contracts and agreements. Even though you're not required to obtain an FAA license to become an aircraft broker, some states require a permit to operate your aircraft brokerage business. For example, in Arizona and Washington, you have to obtain a permit from the state before you start selling airplanes. So make sure you research the requirements in your state, county, and city. Last but not least, Focus on offering impeccable service to your clients. Understand their needs, be transparent, and always be ready to go the extra mile. Building a reputation for reliable service will help you foster long-term relationships and get those referrals. Embarking on a career as an aircraft broker is indeed an adventurous journey. So remember, knowledge, networking, and dedication to your clients' needs are your runway to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about becoming an aircraft broker, you can check out my course at aircraftbrokeracademy.com. Until next time.